All right, so boys, you are helping me today with doing the weeds, right? One of the chores that you do regularly around the house, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so you have been using some specific gardening gloves, but they were adult-sized gardening gloves. So we recently received a bunch of these, which are kid-size gardening gloves. And I want you to go ahead and start pulling some weeds and tell me what you like about them.
So, what I like about them is that
They're really grippy.
yeah, and let's say you have like a spiky.
Like one of these.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't poke you.
It's not poking you the same way. And that's because of this part here. So you can see this kind of heavier rubber that's right here. That's different than some of the other gardening gloves we have. And we really like the fact that it makes, this is what they're talking about it being very grippy on that part. But they're still really flexible because you have that mesh here. Of course, it has the cute little designs and it comes in some different colors. Now, can you show us your hands, what they look like? What about the other side? Right? And so these are ones that actually make you want to go ahead and help garden, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And so they're easy to use, easy to keep clean, right? Now, here's the thing too. I have a pretty small hand. These actually fit for me as well as an adult. So, so this is nice. I'm going to put one on and show you. So while these are kid size, they're considered a 6 or an extra small. If you have a smaller hand, these work for you as well. So let me show you. So see, I just put it on my hand and I would be able to use this as well as having a smaller hand. So if you are looking for a great garden glove, if you're looking for one that's going to help you, whether you're doing prickers or not, have this extra little, extra grippy part here, which is also helping with that protection. Make them easy to use. Have your kids help you go ahead and do your weeding, then I highly suggest you get yourself some of these. You're not going to be disappointed.